Welcome back to Calm Mind and Healthy Body, our channel. In today's fast-paced world, many people seek alternatives to conventional medicine, and natural antibiotics are gaining significant attention. The importance of natural remedies in health cannot be overstated. With the rise of antibiotic resistance and the side effects associated with many prescription medications, individuals are increasingly turning to nature for solutions. Natural antibiotics, derived from plants, herbs, and other organic sources, offer a promising way to combat infections and boost overall health without the harsh consequences often linked to synthetic drugs. As we delve into this topic, we'll explore the fascinating world of natural health hacks that can empower you to take charge of your well-being. Imagine harnessing the healing properties of everyday ingredients in your kitchen or garden. From garlic and honey to oregano oil and turmeric, these natural remedies have been used for centuries across various cultures to treat ailments and enhance immunity. This exploration is not just about finding alternatives, it's about discovering effective solutions that complement your health regimen. Natural antibiotics can provide powerful support, whether you're dealing with a stubborn cold, a minor infection, or simply looking to strengthen your immune system. Throughout this video, we'll share practical tips and insights that will inform and inspire you to incorporate these remedies into your daily life. By the end, you'll have a toolkit of natural solutions ready to tackle common health issues confidently. So, if you're curious about how to enhance your health naturally and want to learn about the incredible benefits of these remedies, stick around. You're in for an enlightening journey into the world of natural antibiotics and health hacks that could change how you approach your wellness. Before we dive deep into the main subject, if you enjoy our content, we'd appreciate it if you could subscribe and hit the notification bell. Hence, you'll be updated on health tips, recipes, and wellness inspiration. I appreciate your support. Top 5 natural antibiotics that work better than prescriptions. Many people are surprised to learn that some natural antibiotics can outperform conventional medications for fighting infections. Let's examine 5 powerful natural antibiotics with remarkable effectiveness and fewer side effects. First on our list is garlic. Known for its potent antimicrobial properties, garlic contains allicin, which has been shown to combat bacteria, viruses, and fungi. Incorporating raw garlic into your diet can help prevent infections and boost your immune system without the harsh side effects often associated with prescription antibiotics. Next up is honey, particularly Manuka honey. This sweet remedy is not just delicious, it's also a natural antibacterial powerhouse. Honey has been used for centuries to treat wounds and infections because it creates a protective barrier and promotes healing. Its natural enzymes help fight off harmful bacteria, making it a fantastic alternative for minor cuts and scrapes. Third, we have oregano oil. This essential oil is packed with carvacrol and thymol, which exhibit antibacterial solid effects. Oregano oil can be taken in capsule form or diluted and applied topically to combat infections. Its effectiveness against various pathogens makes it a go-to for many health enthusiasts. Fourth on our list is ginger. This common kitchen spice is excellent for digestion and has impressive antimicrobial properties. Ginger can help reduce inflammation and fight off infections, making it a valuable addition to your health toolkit. Lastly, we have turmeric. Curcumin, the active compound in turmeric, is known for its anti-inflammatory and antibacterial effects. Adding turmeric to your meals or taking it as a supplement can help support your immune system and combat infections naturally. Considering these natural alternatives can empower you to take control of your health. By incorporating these remedies into your routine, you can effectively address common health issues while minimizing the risk of side effects of conventional medications. Weirdest health hack, and it works. Today we're diving into one of the weirdest health hacks that have taken the wellness community by storm: apple cider vinegar. This tangy liquid, made from fermented apples, is not just a salad dressing. It's a versatile remedy that can address a variety of ailments. From aiding digestion to balancing blood sugar levels, apple cider vinegar has proven to be a powerhouse in natural health. So how does it work? The acetic acid in apple cider vinegar is believed to have antimicrobial properties, which can help combat harmful bacteria in the gut. Many people swear by it for alleviating digestive issues, such as bloating and heartburn. A tablespoon mixed with water before meals can significantly affect how your body processes food. But don't just take my word for it. Numerous studies support the effectiveness of apple cider vinegar. For instance, research published in the Journal of Functional Foods found that apple cider vinegar can help lower blood sugar levels after meals, making it a popular choice for diabetes patients. Additionally, user testimonials highlight its benefits for weight loss, with many reporting feeling fuller and more satisfied after meals when they incorporate it into their routine. If you're curious about trying this unconventional health hack, it's simple to get started. Mix 1 to 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar in a glass of water and drink it before meals. You can also use it in salad dressings or as a marinade for added flavor and health benefits. We invite you to try apple cider vinegar and see how it works. If you've already tried it, share your experiences in the comments below. Your feedback could inspire others to explore this weird yet effective health hack. These natural remedies are stronger than painkillers. When it comes to managing pain, many people reach for over-the-counter painkillers without realizing that some natural remedies can provide even more effective relief. Let's explore a couple of powerful options. Turmeric and ginger. These spices are staples in many kitchens and boast impressive anti-inflammatory properties that can help alleviate pain. Turmeric, often referred to as a superfood, contains curcumin, a compound known for its potent anti-inflammatory effects. Studies have shown that curcumin can significantly reduce pain associated with arthritis and muscle soreness. By incorporating turmeric into your diet, whether in smoothies, soups, or as a spice in your meals, you can harness its natural pain-relieving benefits without the side effects commonly associated with prescription medications. Similarly, ginger is another remarkable natural remedy used for centuries to combat pain and inflammation. Research indicates that ginger can be as effective as some non-steroidal anti-inflammatory drugs, NSAIDs, in reducing pain, particularly for menstrual cramps and osteoarthritis. You can enjoy ginger in various forms, such as fresh ginger tea, ginger-infused dishes, or even as a supplement. What makes these natural solutions particularly appealing is their safety profile. Unlike many over-the-counter painkillers, which can lead to gastrointestinal issues or dependency, turmeric and ginger are generally well tolerated and come with minimal side effects. This makes them excellent options for long-term pain management. Consider incorporating these natural remedies into your pain management routine. Whether you're dealing with chronic pain or occasional discomfort, adding turmeric and ginger can provide a holistic approach to relief. Please share your experiences with these remedies in the comments below, and let's inspire each other to explore the power of nature in our health journeys. The 10 amazing onion uses. You'll wish you knew sooner. Onions are often seen as a staple ingredient in cooking, but their benefits extend far beyond the kitchen. Let's uncover the versatile uses of onions that can enhance your health and wellness. First and foremost, onions are packed with nutrients that can boost your immunity. They are rich in vitamin C, essential for a robust immune system, and contain antioxidants that help fight free radicals. Additionally, onions have anti-inflammatory properties that can reduce inflammation, making them beneficial for those suffering from arthritis or allergies. One practical way to harness the health benefits of onions is by incorporating them into your daily diet. Add raw onions to salads or sandwiches for a crunchy texture and a flavor boost. You can also make onion-infused water by soaking sliced onions in water overnight and drinking it the next day. This simple drink can help detoxify your body and improve digestion. Another exciting use of onions is that they are a natural remedy for colds and coughs. You can create a soothing syrup by mixing chopped onions with honey. Let it sit for a few hours and then take a spoonful to help alleviate symptoms. Onions can also be used topically to relieve pain. For example, placing a slice of onion on a bee sting or insect bite can help reduce swelling and discomfort. We encourage you to experiment with these onion uses and discover how they can enhance your health. Onions are a versatile ally if you're looking to boost immunity, reduce inflammation, or find natural remedies for common ailments. Share your experiences and any unique onion uses in the comments below. Let's inspire each other to make the most of this incredible vegetable. This video explores the incredible world of natural antibiotics, health hacks, and remedies that can unexpectedly enhance your well-being. We discussed how natural antibiotics like garlic, honey, oregano oil, ginger, and turmeric can effectively combat infections and support your immune system without the side effects often associated with conventional medications. These powerful alternatives relieve and empower you to take control of your health. We also uncovered some unconventional health hacks, such as apple cider vinegar, which has shown remarkable results in managing various ailments. Its versatility and effectiveness make it a valuable addition to your health toolkit. Additionally, we highlighted how natural remedies can be more potent than painkillers, with options like turmeric and ginger offering anti-inflammatory benefits that can alleviate pain without harmful side effects. The importance of exploring natural alternatives for health cannot be overstated. As we continue to face challenges like antibiotic resistance and the side effects of synthetic medications, turning to nature for solutions is not just wise, it's essential. Incorporating these natural remedies into your daily routine can enhance your health and well-being. If you found this video informative and inspiring, We encourage you to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on natural health solutions. Remember to like and share this video with friends and family who might benefit from these insights. Together, we can spread the word about the power of natural remedies and help others discover effective alternatives for their health needs. Thank you for joining us on this journey toward better health, and we look forward to sharing more tips and tricks with you in future videos.